Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi not working Windows 11. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Right-click WLAN Auto Config, restart the service. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and then enable Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.